Guys, welcome back to my channel Studying in the USA. I am Winnie Shum. On this video, I will be talking about a no tuition university in Kentucky, the United States of America. If you're looking to study in the US and you're looking for a no tuition university, then I have one for you in this video. I'm going to show you this university, take you to their website and show you everything. And the good news is that applications are ongoing. The early bird application has already started. But if you're just getting to watch this video and you want to get started, you can apply for the second phase of the application. So if you're interested in moving to the US through school, then this video is a good fit for you. Before I get into the video, my name is Winnie Shum, and now on this channel, I'll be talking about studying in the USA. So if this is something that you're interested in, you want to move to the USA through school, then this channel is for you. I will talk about the best schools to apply for, scholarships, no tuition university, and much more. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen so that I can show you this university, show you the application process so that you will know where to go when you want to get started. And I'm also going to put the link to this university in the description box below so that you can click it and also go through it so that you can find all the information you need to start putting your resources together. So this is the website. It's called Berea College University. College is a university. So if you see college, don't think that is the same thing that we talk about like in Africa. No, college is university here in the US. So they have a no tuition promise. So you can see you will study here at little or no cost to you or your family. No student pays tuition at Berea. So no student pays tuition at Berea. But one thing I want you to know is that for universities like this, competition is high. So you really have to be able to have a good educational background with a good GPA in order for you to apply to this university. Because universities that have no tuition programs, they're actually very competitive. But that doesn't mean that you cannot put your stuff together and apply. They actually take students from all over the world, Africa, Asia, India. They take students from all over the world. So please don't lose this opportunity. And I know when we see opportunities like that, we can start feeling discouraged, like, oh, I won't be taking. Why not just go to the website and apply? The application is ongoing and they have a section to apply for international students. So I just wanted to show you guys that it's a no tuition university. If you're accepted to study in this university, you study for free. So yeah, you have this campus, so you can click here, you will see more about their campus. So now let's go to the page where we can see how to apply for international students. So this is the page. Admission for international students is open now. So you can see here, application deadline is October 15, which is for early action. For those who want to start early, you can start October 15. October 15 has passed, which means that you can no longer go for the early bird if you want to apply to this university, which means that you have to go for the regular, which application deadline is January 15, which means that you have to start now putting your applications together. So applications are open for Berea University. So you just have to click here and apply as an international student. So this will be what you'll be looking at. So a college unlike no other, no tuition, no kidding. Berea College students receive a high quality education without breaking the bank. And no tuition promise guarantees that no student pays tuition. A savings worth more than $176,000 over 4 years. So there is actually no tuition promise. So you can start your application here and apply to this university. So you have to apply as soon as possible because you know application process is not easy. So for international students, for international applicants, early action October 15, which has passed. Regular deadline is January 15, which means that you have part of October, November, December to apply for this institution. No tuition university. So this is something that is hard to find. And like I said, here on my channel, I'll be bringing you universities like these that are available so that you don't have to stress thinking about, oh, I'm going to have to pay school fees. I'm going to have to pay millions of dollars, even though most of the universities in the US are very, very expensive. But at the same time, There are institutions like these that promise a no tuition study or education. So take advantage. So wherever you are, whether you're in India, whether you are in Nigeria, Cameroon, wherever you are, if you want to come to the US, this will be one of the best options for you to try out. Why not start putting in your application? It doesn't harm to apply. Apply. You might just get admission into Berea University to study for free. Guys, this is a great opportunity for you. If you want to move to the US and you have some money, why not start by applying for schools? Universities like Berea College, who promises no tuition for international students, is a great thing. So you want to take advantage of this. So I'm going to put the link of the admission and the website in the description box below so that you can go and check things out, read things. And if you have any question, they have emails there. You can always write to them to find out. But they say it's a free tuition university, and it's a promise they have made that everyone there will study for free, including international students. So you want to take advantage of this. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you want to get more videos like this about no tuition universities in the US and how to study in the US, affordable universities, the best programs, then this is the channel for you. Please subscribe, click on the bell icon so that you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. I just want to thank you all and hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.